A Happy New Year. Garage door mic. Horman 4250 traditional desert tan with smoked insulated top window. Absolutely awesome looking door. It is a 5-section high. You got 418s and a 21 up top. And there's the desert tan, wood grain, pinch resistant. This is an 1 3/4 thick door. It is also a 16 plus R value door. 18-inch bottom, 21 top, and it is complemented with 15-inch radius, 13 ball nylon wheel. And what did we do for the opener? Oh, LDC 0800. Lots of headroom in here, as you can see. There's the LDC. No light bulb in there yet, but it is a little colder, so some of the let's put this right there. Some of the noise you're hearing is the lip seal connecting with the next section, since it is such a large tie-in groove. And there it is in the down position. Let the camera adjust here just a wee bit, and you'll check the big springs that we got up there. There we go. Camera's adjusted. Those are whoppers. Those are 42s, 42-inch, 262, 2-inch. And then what we did here is we extended the angle, and we put it right in the back of the reinforcement. 15-inch radius, like I said. We'll put the zinc one on top, and then all 13 balls sealed. And this is all the 11 gauge hardware, and you can see the big splop of grease. They grease all the fittings for the rollers. No one else does that. I mean, what do you expect when the Germans do it? They over-engineer everything. You gotta love them for that. And then there's the smoked window you cannot see out, but it lets the light in. And it does let quite a bit in if you look. Stand back here. I know there's a couple lights up there, but still it lets in a good amount of light. Opener's pre-wired, 4250, pinch resistant, urethane insulated door. For all your garage door needs, innovative door and door openers. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. We'll like you anyway. It is absolutely freezing cold out here today. It's like 10 degrees out. These guys had a heater in there, which is a huge bonus. Just absolutely huge bonus. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our urethane insulated door with smoked traditional raised panel top windows.